So before I proceed to tell you how you can actually be making money in the global financial market without actually trading, I want to show you results that it's actually working. Now if you see, I use this my demo account to test run it first. So if you want to test run it with your demo account, you are free to see results. You can try it for 1 month to see how far the results are. So you see, I also doing copy trading. You see the plus. Now there are 28.15 cents that I'm making already. So if I should click my portfolio, you see I'm copying this Forex Caterpillar, I'm copying Fire Phoenix, and these two trades I place by myself. So let's show you how you can actually do copy trading. But as I'm showing you, I'm going to be explaining what is copy trading. Copy trading is simple. Copy trading allows you to copy experts who are actually doing well in the global financial market. I'm talking about experienced experts who have been trading for years. For example, let's click this trading capital rather. Now you see trading capital has been trading for over 2,753 days. That's close to like 5 to 6 years now. And how many people are copying him? 543 numbers of people are copying him with the total asset of $3.2 million. So this is huge, guys. You can also partake from this and be making profit. We have some who are high risk. We also have some who are low risk. So if you are a low risk taker, you need to come to this minimal risk. With minimal risk, you get to see 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%. You get to see 3%, 4%, 2%, just like that. So let's analyze one of these trades. Go to KJ Trader. The trade is really transparent for anybody who wants to copy any expert. So KJ Trader has been trading for over 757 days with a total asset of 300, and number of people copying him is 68 with the total amount of 30K. So if you can see, the profit margin has been doing well. So let's see the trading history. The trading history, you see the minimal loss and the maximum profits. Very small, little to none. So it's very important that you can copy KJ and you're making small profit, or even as far as no damage. Let's see no damage. No damage, I'll be making profit for August to June. Now, if you see this in July, I know most of us will be like, I look at July, you have a drawdown July, which is true. Now, no damage is telling you that the profit that you will get from your capital is 5 to 10% per month. Now, today's date, as I'm recording this video, is 11th. So we still have more days to go. So no damage could possibly take this profit up. So you don't measure this performance on a daily basis, you measure it on the monthly basis, and that's what we are seeing now. Monthly. All the months he has been on profit. So it's possible for somebody, a trader, to have a drop down today and tomorrow he has moved back up. So we see now we've already made almost 1,000 on this trade. So it's very important for us to know this when we want to choose a copy trading expert. So to copy no damage, for example, you click on profitability chart. You see, if you have $1,000, you can copy no damage with $1,000 or even $100. Now, one thing I so much love about this copy trading is the copy setting. So let me click on the copy setting. I need to copy him in proportion to my funds. Now with this $100 maximum loss, it's asking me how much am I willing to risk. So I want to risk, let's say $20. I give no damage. I want to risk $20. You use minus $20. So the reason why you need to use minus $20, or depending on your risk, is that when no damage lose up to $20, your trade will automatically detach you from copying no damage. But if you use minus 20, you are saying that if you lose your $80, it should keep $20 for you. So it's very important to differentiate the two. So I'm going to use minus. Then I'll leave my profit on the max so that I'll continue to make maximum profit. You can also increase it. So okay, when it gets to $10 or $20 or $100, detach me. Then the next thing for you to do is just to copy. Simple as that. You don't need any stress. So once no damage plays trade, you will automatically be making profit. So let's go back to see other trader. There are some traders that are high risk, very high risk, and they are high profitability, and there are some that are really minimal. So like no damage trading capital, for example, if you check his trading history, you see the loss, you see the profit. So trading capital has been making profit for 249, 85, 87, 87, 85, just like that. So it's very important to know that you can actually make more if you want to. If you say, okay, I want to make small, I want to save my capital, then you can also do it. But if you say, no, I want to go all in, I want to, I want to make more money, people like Trading Capital can give you that. So while doing it, remember you still need to set your maximum loss and profits if you want to protect your capital. So basically, as a newbie, this is what you need to do when you want to start making money in the global financial market. So just see, while you place while you attach your account to any copy trading expert, you resume your learning process. You resume your learning process. So while you are learning, your profit is adding up for you to get good capital to resume your trade when you are ready to place trade, when you are ready to go live without using your demo account. So like I said, you can practice this with your demo and see how far you can go. So guys, let's make money together. If you don't know how to come to this home page here, I'm going to be dropping the link below, www.litefinanceng.com, www.litefinanceng.com. You sign up, come to copy trade, and copy any expert you are comfortable with and start making your profits. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video.